Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on this video I'm going to be showing you all how I achieved these knotless braids. I've already had them installed for about 2 weeks, but they're starting to look a little old to me. So I decided let me refresh, but this time let me make sure I show you guys how I do it. So I start off by using the Shine and Jam like I always do with my braids. I'm going to make sure my hair is thoroughly coated with this, slicking it into place. So for the knotless braids, you do have to use a feed-in method. So what I do is I get my 3 sections, I plait it once, so this is once. The second time, see I'm coming back to the front, I grab a small section of hair, of braiding hair, and I loop it around my pointer finger. Then I grab all of the hair, my hair included, plait again. When I come back to the front, I'm going to feed it right back into my pointer finger. So I'm going to just loop it. I'm trying my best to be able to show you all the process, but it is kind of hard to capture because my hands are in the way. But each time I come to the front, I make sure I feed in a strand of hair. As you feed it in each strand of hair, you do want to make sure you detangle. That's what I'm doing here. That way, when you are ready to plait the hair, it'll be a smooth transition. This is going to be the last piece that I'm feeding in. It's just going right under my pointer finger. And then I'm going to go ahead and braid. Now that we have the extension hair attached, this is the easy part, you just plaiting. Typically, anytime I start braids, box braids, cornrows, I like to section it into 3 equal parts. That way, it's a little bit easier for me to start the braid. And also, when I'm showing you all my different styles, it's easier for you to understand. found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. That way I can produce more content similar to this one. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.